English by Jammy. James's daily routine. English listening practice for beginners A1. Hello. My name is James. I'm a student and I also have a part-time job. My day is very busy, but I like my routine. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I get up and go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I get dressed. I eat breakfast in the kitchen. I have toast and coffee. After breakfast, I walk to my job. I work at a small coffee shop. I make coffee and help the customers. I work from 7 to 11 in the morning. After work, I go to the university. I have classes. My classes are from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock. I am a psychology student. For lunch, I eat a sandwich. I eat it in the park or in the cafeteria. After class, I go home to my apartment. In the evening, I cook dinner. I like to eat pasta or rice. After dinner, I do my homework. I read books and write for my classes. I study from 6 o'clock until 10 o'clock. Finally, I get ready for bed. I take a shower and put on my pajamas. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Then I sleep. My day is long, but I like it